Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your data and your account on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click here, and now click settings. Now click account management, and now click delete your data in the account. And here just click continue, and that's it. It will be deleted, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.